Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gamma number 6 yellow pattern cap fountain pen with a transparent body, and this video is specifically taken to give a clear insight on the pen, and because just with photos you can't fully understand the pen. So here the cap has a silver trim set, that is a silver cap with a silver clip and a silver ring on the cap. The cap is held on the body with thread mechanism. To open, you have to unscrew the cap, and the pen has number 8 nib with dual tone, and which has a medium tip, and you can swap with the any nibs as you like, since we have number 8 nibs in many brands, and also number 35 nib suits this pen. And for that also we can check the spares. Usually pen enthusiasts will swap with cambric nibs, where you can have a fine, medium, broad nibs in number 35, and also again in gold, dual tone and silver plated. And here also flex nibs can be swapped with this pen in number 35 as your choice. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, and then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here the holding area diameter is bigger one, and this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers. And here the reservoir capacity is more. We can fill more than 3 ml of inks in this pen. And also please note, since this is a transparent pen, please don't use primary color inks, so that the ink will create a stain on the wall of this pen. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will create a blockage in this feeder, so you can't write properly, since you may experience this. And slowly the ink flow will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out, and the reason is the blockage in the feed is grow. And to clean this, you can remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding this nib and feeder together, and pull pull it out. And this is a simple process, and you can flush the feeder with the help of any toothbrush, or clean it well with a soap water or in tap water. If you're soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself you can find there is a notice on which on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here I am giving the sample of that. Here this Brill bottle, it is given. Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill. It is a unique formulation, prevents clogging, and it's quickly drying on paper. Yeah, it is so clear. Unless otherwise we have a good maintenance in cleaning, the flow will be affected. And again on maintenance, all the threads are turned to worn out, so to increase the life of the threads, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline over this grip portion whenever you're filling during the ink fill. And also whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads on the barrel. If you fill in excess, leakage paths will create it, and you will spoil your hands. And also few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because manual assembly of nibs and the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines up and down, so that it will create a space in between, so which will allows a good flow of ink. For this you can use your nails, or else you can use any knives also. And please make sure both tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to customer, we do this fine tuning and we'll check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our Penhouse violet color ink. This is so smooth writing as butter, and the ink flow also looking so uniform. Yeah, and if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.